So good afternoon, audience. Thanks for watching. So today we're going to talk about the different types of computer. Still we are in the basic foundation. We need to know the differences between the computers, because when we say computer, this is a general name. For all electronic devices that we use to compute, that we use to process data, as we learned in the first level. Okay, basically we have four main different types of computer. Yeah, they are tags. In generally they are somehow the same, but the uses are different, if I may put it like that. Yes, the first of all is the supercomputer. This is a huge computer, that is used by a big organization to perform complicated mathematical calculation. That it can serve up to billion. It can process up to billion taxes. So in our case, we don't need that. The supercomputer is needed by, let's say, the new Wissen Surface, the scientists that use things to discover, and aeroplane designers. I hope in our level we are not into the use of supercomputer, but it's good to know supercomputer is the most expensive and the most biggest type of computer, and the most complicated also, most complicated computer, in the system. Yeah. After supercomputer, we have mainframe computer. That's also a very big computer that can perform also hundreds of tasks or thousands of tasks. Also used by very big organizations, like banks and other things, as main server. Then we have mini computer. Mini computer is sometimes known as the workstation. Sometimes, not always, but sometimes known as the workstation. This is also a bigger computer, not like supercomputer and not like mainframe computer, but it's also bigger than the PCs. Then we have the microcomputer. So this microcomputer is what we know as PCs, personal computers. They are also used to perform different tasks. So, but under the microcomputer, that is where our PCs lie. So in the microcomputer, we also have different types of microcomputer. For example, we have desktop, the big screen with the CPU. That is desktop. Why is it desktop? Because we put it on the desk, on top of the table. That's why it is called desktop PC. It's also a microcomputer, but it's used. We used to place it in the of the table. That's why it's called desktop. Desktop. Okay. Then we have laptop. We have, let's say, laptop. This is a laptop. That is Toshiba laptop. And laptop also, we have different types of laptop. This is also a laptop, and this is also a laptop. We see they differ in size, but they are used for the same task, because they are all microcomputers, microchips. They are all microcomputers. So, and we have another PC, another computer called Palm Top. Because laptop, the name lab is this on our lab. Let me bring my lab up. Yeah, this is where we put the laptop, and that's why it's called laptop. It's a PC, laptop computer, because we put it on our lab. This is why it's called laptop. Desktop, we put it on the table. They are all microcomputers. Desktop, we put it on the table. Laptop, we put it on our lap when we are using it. This is why it is called laptop. Okay? And then we have another one that look like this. It's called palm top. Why is it a palm top? Remember, in English, this is a palm. So it's a computer that we put in our hand and we work on with it. You know, they have somehow similar technology. They are all microcomputers, microchips. They are all microcomputers, but they are different in size and sometimes different uses. You know, and we have, let's say, you know, the other category, that is where we can put our, you know, how do they call it, tablet, our handies, and other sources, because we know in today's world we have a lot of different technology of making computer. You know, like Apple also, that's also a PC, you know, but under a different operating system and so, you know. So these are the different type of computer: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer or a workstation, and microcomputer. Under microcomputer, that's where we have desktop, laptop, you know, palm top, what's it, tablet, and so on. They are all microcomputer. So I think, you know, the difference also matters, because you cannot have a PC and you want it to work for you like a supercomputer. That will never be possible, you know. So I think it's very important to know the differences. These are the different types of computer. But in future, we're going to talk about them, their details, you know, how they store, how they process. We're going to deal with all this in future, you know. So this is what we have for you today, the difference between the different types of computer. You can make your own research, you know. You can make your own research, and let me know, please, if this video helps. You know, I would like to know it under the comments below. And if you have questions, I would like to answer the questions if I know them, you know. You ask me the question under the comments and I would like to answer them, you know. So this is what we have for you today about the different types of computer. Thank you.